hands down the simplest digital side hustle you can launch in 2025. And yes, it's totally doable even for a 57-year-old brain like mine. I pulled in $4,000 in a single week using this exact approach. No building products from scratch, no chasing down people, and no overwhelming tech headaches. So if you've been wanting a straightforward way to earn real income online, keep watching. I'm going to break down the exact method that finally worked for me. If we haven't connected, I'm Sonia, a fur mama, a daughter, a real estate entrepreneur of 36 years. Now I help GenX business-minded folks learn how to build multiple income streams online, even if they're starting at absolutely zero. Before we dive in, if you want my Freedom Formula Blueprint, the guide that shows the exact steps that I followed to go from totally overwhelmed to creating digital income at 57, you can grab it below. So let's answer the big question. Do you need something to sell in order to earn online? Yes, plain and simple. If you want income, something has to be exchanged, a product or a service. It's true offline and online. And this is usually where people freeze. They think, well, what do I even sell? An Amazon link, a t-shirt, a course? Let me walk you through the 3 things that most people try first. 1, Amazon product sales or Amazon influencer. The truth, the commissions are tiny, literally pennies. You have to sell hundreds or thousands of items to see real profits. It's possible, but it's slow, tiring, and not really life-changing income. 2, print on demand, t-shirts, sweatshirts, caps with cute sayings. Sounds amazing, no inventory, no shipping, easy setup. But the profit margins are around $5 to $6 an item. And once you factor in your time, your effort, and the occasional return, you're working too hard for too little. A lot of people end up paying more for their Shopify fees than they're actually earning. 3, affiliate marketing. This actually can be great. You share someone else's products and you earn 25 to 50% commissions. But there's a downside. You don't control the pricing, and the margins can be very small. It works well as a bonus income stream, not so much as your main one. Eventually I thought, why don't I just create my own digital products? And honestly, it's a great idea, but the moment the thought hits, so do all the other overwhelming questions. What should I create? Will people buy this? How do I get in front of the right audience? How do I sell it consistently? You can absolutely create your own product, but if you don't understand demand, traffic, or how to get eyes on it, it's like having the best boutique with the most fashionable garments at the end of a street where there's no passing traffic and nobody knows about it. So here's what I recommend instead. Start with research. What are people already searching for? What problems are they trying to solve? When you understand the demand, you can create or offer a digital product that solves a real problem. That's when everything changed for me. I stopped guessing and I paid attention actively to what people were actually looking for. That's when I discovered a program that taught me the in-demand skills and gave me Master Resell Rights so that I could earn immediately. That's how I went from a complete beginner to making $4,000 in just a few days, simply by offering something people already wanted with a proven system. If you want to skip the trial and error and see the same strategy that I used, my free blueprint is linked below. It breaks it all down step by step. So what's actually in demand right now? People are searching every single day for things like how to make money online, how to work from home, how to build a passive income, how to retire early. Forbes even reports that the digital marketing industry is projected to grow to $3 billion a day. It's already at 1.3 billion and climbing rapidly. Go to Google Trends and type in "make money online" and you will see it's one of the most consistently topics searched out there. That's why I promote a digital educational program. The demand already exists. I simply position the solution in front of the people who are already searching for it. Next question. But what if I don't want to be salesy? I hear this constantly. I don't want to bug friends or families to get them to buy things from me, message strangers, or even cold calling. And I also didn't want to do that, considering I'd done so much cold calling in my real estate career. The truth is, you don't have to be pushy to make sales online. People today want information, not pressure. They want to learn at their own pace. That's where automation changes everything. The system does all the explaining for you. It walks people through the process, answers common questions, and gives them space to decide on their own. No awkward follow-ups, just a clean, professional system doing the heavy lifting. I call it my freedom machine. While the system does all the explaining, I get to live my life. I'll show you how to get your own automated system for free just in a bit. Stay with me here. And remember, my Freedom Formula Blueprint is below if you want to see the framework in detail. So why does this work on autopilot? Because the automation is everything. Most people don't buy the first time they see something. They need trust, time, and follow-up. Email automation handles all of that while you're off enjoying your day. I was literally at a theatre show with my mom, enjoying the artistic flair of theatre life, when a ding, a sale notification popped up on my cell phone. That wasn't luck. That was automations doing its job. The system nurtures potential customers, answers questions, and builds trust, and helps people make confident decisions in their own time. We use System.io, which I absolutely love because it's totally free up to your first 2,000 subscribers. Not a trial, it's a real full plan. The moment you exceed the 2,000 subscribers, then you can upgrade to the next tier, and then that's when it starts costing you. It handles funnels, emails, websites, and your payments. So you have no monthly expenses until you exceed the 2,000 subscribers. You can open up a free account through the link below. Automations is what makes this business both scalable and passive. It's the shift from hustling non-stop to freedom. Now you may ask, what if you're not tech savvy? You don't have to be. That's the good news. The online space has evolved so much that what used to take hours can now be created with simple clicks. You'll still need basics like a capture page, email automations, and a way to accept payments. Some people try Etsy or Shopify, but those platforms take fees and percentages for their services, which we prefer to avoid as we don't want to incur monthly expenses until your business has grown. If you're building something from scratch, I recommend System.io because of the free plan until you reach the 2,000 subscribers. Here's what completely changed everything for me. I found a done-for-you digital program, website, capture page, and email sequence, everything already built and proven to convert. Plus, it came with Master Resell Rights, a real business in a box. I wasn't just learning digital marketing skills, I was earning from them because I had the marketing resale rights. I even saw a US college offering a 4-term digital marketing course at $4,900. And all you get is a certificate. No system, no business, no automations, and no income opportunity. And absolutely no support and no mentorship. Meanwhile, the program I joined cost me a quarter of that, and I could resell that at 100% profit once I was certified. One sale covered my initial investment. Everything after that was pure profit. If you want the easiest path as a beginner, look for a Master Resell Rights program. The website, the optimized capture page, email flow, step-by-step training, coaching, support, and community, all designed to help you build income streams online without the overwhelm. The interactive program taught me real skills of digital marketing and how to create multiple income streams. If you're someone who wants to learn online without having to figure out how to build the business systems from scratch, I recommend this pre-built business every single time. Watch my freedom formula. The link is below, and decide if it's right for you. Now that you know why I feel this is the easiest side hustle to start in your 50s and how the system actually works, here's the part that shocked me. Within 17 days from starting, I made $3,600 using this exact method. When you combine that with everything I've shared today, you'll start to see just how powerful this can be for you. You're not too late, and you're definitely not too old. You're one decision away from a completely different freedom. I'll see you in the next video.